Every one of your coachees has a planning dashboard. This is a dashboard where they can clearly define their goals and get personalized step-by-step roadmaps on how they could potentially achieve this goal. You can find the planning dashboard of each one of your coachees from your sidebar by selecting the coachee and then pressing Planning option. In the planning dashboard, you will find two sections. One is the roadmap and the other one is the workspace. Every coachee can specify a goal that they have and also define their own parameters. For example, this coachee wants to find a job in the field of biomedical engineering. They can specify in how much time they want to achieve it, how much time they will invest in this goal per week, but also their monthly budget. They can also specify their location if they want to. Some follow-up questions are generated in order to get more of the context of the user's needs. And then they can choose to run a goal feasibility analysis where the goals parameters are checked in how feasible and realistic they are. But also they can choose to generate the whole roadmap automatically. Once the roadmap is generated, we end up with a timeline with specific dates planned on how to achieve this goal. We can see all the different steps and select each one of them. When selecting a specific step, we can see multiple sub-items that the coachee can work on to make progress on their goal. For example, each of these steps has tasks that they can work on these planned dates and then continue to the next steps. They can also notify you when they have completed certain steps. If you think that the step is missing, you can also add it manually by pressing Add Plan Items. You can also plan specific dates, but also if you're not sure how this could be achieved, to generate the sub-items automatically. Once the generation has been completed, you can already see the different sub-items and tasks that have been generated for your coachee. Another thing you can do is to create a fully manual roadmap. For example, for the same goal, you can specify the parameters, and then you can disable the options for the goal feasibility and the automatic roadmap generation. In this case, the goal will still be generated, but without a roadmap. Here, if you have the experience, you can add your own manual steps. Again, you can choose if you want the sub-items to be generated automatically. You can do the same with subtasks. This way, you can collaborate with your coachees to make your own plans or to get help in the steps that is needed. Finally, the planning dashboard includes a workspace where your coachees can get a guide for each of these steps, as well as find the relevant resources to each of these to-dos. These also include specific links that they can follow. Finally, in the notepad, they can keep track of their progress by adding notes they learned by working on each of these tasks.